This press, we had to be able to fit it into the plant. It's a longer press, it's a bigger press, it's a taller press than any of our others. And so we had to find a spot that worked for it. This area that it ended up in actually had some walls that had to be taken down, the floor had to be leveled. We had to move a bathroom, move an air handler unit. There was a lot of pre-planning and construction work that had to go into making it fit into the space that we had. I don't think it could have fit in any other way except for where it is right now, and it worked out very well.
For the power for this press, the main power and the peripheral equipment needed to be powered by the 600 amp service. This needed to be installed before the press was even on site. Conduit needed to be run to ensure a quick and speedy install, as it did as the components hit the shop floor. We had to open up these doorways over here. This was opened up widthwise, and then there's another one on the other side. This door was opened up 3 feet by a foot high. We opened it up, and that we needed to do that for material handling going into the press. This air handling equipment, all this ductwork had to be installed for climate control. There was an air handler that we'll see on the other side of the machine. This had to move over 5 feet just to make room for the feed logistics going into the press. We used some of the existing ductwork for this, but we had to inevitably add some ductwork to it. We also had to add LED lighting. That was one of the final steps. We wanted to make sure with the press in place that we had adequate lighting in between print units. There's a lot of work to put this press in. It's similar to our other machines, but it's the newest on the market. We're on the cutting edge and keeping things going that way. A lot of the work was done by contractors, but a good portion of it was done by our in-house maintenance department.